Shelli Pelly, Parker Confidential. Welcome to my summer swimwear series, where all summer long you're going to get great workouts anywhere from 40 minutes to 15 minutes to get you nice and sleek and toned all summer long. All right, so today we have my sleek and toned arm workout. 3 rounds, 5 exercises, 15 minutes. You're gonna need a light set of dumbbells. If you also have a medium and a heavy, bring them on in. It's good to mix it up. Grab a towel, some water, and let's get started. Okay, ladies, exercise number 1, bicep curls with an overhead press. Hands by your sides, weights in your hands, and we're gonna do bicep curl, overhead press, down, bicep curl, overhead press. We're gonna do 12 of these. Here's 2. There's 3. There's 4. This is getting your biceps, obviously, and you're getting a little bit of your shoulder in with the overhead press. So you have nice thighs and nice shoulders for those sundresses, right? There's 10, 2 more. You know you can do it. 2 more. 11, 1 more. And 12, and we're going to go into angled bicep curls. Here's 12. And down. We're going to angle your arms off to 45 degrees. And we're just going to bicep curl, angle down. This just gets another part of your bicep and it gets a little bit of your deltoid as well. Right? Just gives you a nice peak on your biceps. You can feel the difference in your muscles. You can probably feel a little bit in your deltoids. We're going to do 12 of these. Notice that my knees are slightly bent. That just protects my knees is all. We're burning out these muscles, our biceps and our deltoids. That's what we want. We get some nice sculpted arms, and this is how you do it. 4 more, ladies. Straight to the side. 11, 1 more, 1 more, and then we're going to go into deltoid rollouts. There's 12, deltoid rollouts, okay. Weights in front of you, palms up to the ceiling, and we're going to cross and roll out. Cross right over left, left over right, and then roll out. Cross, roll out. This is getting your deltoids again. See this nice peak on the side of my arms? That's what we're going for. We're going for that nice little peak, that nice little indentation on the side of our shoulders. Okay. We're gonna do 10 of these. 7. We've got 3 more. 8. 9. I know it burns. I know it burns. 9. 10. Whew. Nice work. Good job, ladies. All right, we're gonna do tricep kickbacks with a flip. Slightly bent over. You're gonna kick back, and at the end, you're gonna flip your palms up to the ceiling, and then back to the side of your hips. Up to the ceiling, back to the side of your hips. See, this just gets a different part of your tricep. You can feel the difference. If you do a typical tricep pushback versus flipping your palms up, it just gets another angle. We're going to do 10 of these. There's 4, 5, and squeeze at the top. I want you to squeeze your triceps at the top. There you go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you're going to hold, and pulse 10 to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Flip your palms to face each other. Another 10 pulses. I know it's hard. I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's good. We're burning our arms out. We're burning our arms out. That's why it's only 15 minutes. All right, we're going to do front and lateral shoulder lifts, okay? Palms facing your thighs, palms facing your thighs. We're simply going to lift to shoulder height front, lift to shoulder height side. And we're gonna do 10 of those. Each angle is 1 set. So there's number 2. You're gonna keep your elbows ever so slightly bent. Just bent enough to protect them, where you're not locking them out. There's 3. This is getting our shoulders. There's 4. There's 5. Okay. 6. 7. The heavier your weights are, the slower you'll go. I am just a guide. You don't have to go as slow or as fast as I'm going. Listen to your body. Push yourself, but listen to your body. 9. We have 1 more after this. 1 more set, ladies, and then that's round 1, and then we start from the top, round 2. Okay. 10. Nice. Get a quick little sip if you need it. We're gonna go right into the second round. Good work. Okay. Palms facing me. Bicep curls. Flip. Overhead press. We're gonna do 12 of these. 2. 3. You want to engage your abs. You want to feel like your ribs are being knit together. Knees are ever so slightly bent just to protect them. That's 5. 6. 7. Return to the side for you. 10, 2 more, ladies. And then we go into our angled bicep curls. 1 more. Nice work, excellent. All right, angled bicep curls. Angle your arms out to a 45-degree angle. And we're just gonna curl. Again, this is just getting another part of your bicep. We're gonna do 12 of those, there's 2. 3, squeeze at the top, there's 3. You wanna squeeze right there, 4. 6, 7, 8, 12, 9, 10, 2 more. And then we go into our deltoid rollouts. 11, and last one. 12, perfect. Nice work. Shake it out a little. We're going into our deltoid curl outs. Deltoids. All right. Arms in front of you. We're going to cross over and out. Cross over and roll out. Now you can see that my arms, my elbows are glued to my sides. They're not moving. They're glued to my sides, and I'm just rolling, really kind of pivoting my arms out. You can feel that right here in your deltoids. We're going to do 10 of these. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, abs with the pulses. Bend slightly at the knees, arms in front, and we're going to kick. Kick with a flip at the end. Remember, your palms flip up to the ceiling at the very end of tricep work, the tricep exercise. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, you're gonna hold. 10 pulses. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. Palms face each other. Another 10 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that's burning it out. But it's only 15 minutes. You can do it. Right, we're going to do our front and lateral raises. And again, this is for our shoulder area right here. All right, legs slightly bent, palms facing your body, and just lift shoulder height down to the side, lift shoulder height. Your elbows should be ever so slightly bent, just enough that you're not locking them out and you're protecting those elbow joints. We don't want to get hurt. 2. I'm going to do 10. This one is number 4. 5 more. 8, 9. Last one, and then that's the end of round 2. One more round and we're done. Okay. 10. Woo! High five. That it was round 2. We have one more round to go and then you're done, ladies. That's it. Take a quick sip if you need it. All right, and we're gonna start with our bicep curl and the overhead press. Last one. All right, and 12, let's go. Four. If you're using light weights and you have mediums or heavies, switch them out. It's okay to do part of the exercise with lights and part with heavy. That's how you get stronger. That's how you work up. You don't have to do every single rep with a heavy weight. When your muscle fatigues, drop it and pick up your light ones. That's how you get stronger. We have 3 more. Last one. Here we go. 3. There we go. 12. And perfect. All right, angled bicep curls. 45-degree angle. And 12. Ready, go. 1, 2. There's 6. Halfway there. 7. 8. 9. Squeeze at the top. Let's squeeze at the top. 3 more. Here's 10. 2 more. 11. Last one. And 12. Perfect. All right, now we have our deltoid rollouts. palms toward the ceiling. And remember, we're just gonna cross and pivot out. Cross and pivot out. Now we're gonna do 10 of these. Here's number 3. 6, 7, 3 more on the countdown. 8, 2 more, 9, and last one, 10. Excellent. Tricep kickbacks with the flip. All right, let me face you. Trying to give you all angles so you can see right, proper form. Kickbacks. 1, 2, just squeeze that muscle at the top. Really focus on squeezing that muscle at the top. It makes a difference. 4. And notice how my back is straight. I'm not hunched over. I want my back to be straight. Just bent over a little bit at the hips. 6. I think that's 7. 8. 2 more, ladies. And remember, we're gonna pulse. 9. Last one, then hold them and we're gonna pulse up to the ceiling. 10. And pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. And facing each other. 10 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one, front to laterals. Okay, this may have been 20 minutes. I'll have to try. You get the point. Go. Front to the shoulders, side to the shoulders. There's 3. 4. The halfway mark. 5 more and you are done. You're done for the day. 1. Okay, just focus on those shoulders. Focus on how amazing you're gonna look. Nice and toned and sleek. Here's 3, 2 more, 2 more. 2 more. 1. And last one. Last one. One more. Front and side. One more. And done. Nice work, ladies. Excellent. There you go. That was your 5 exercises, 3 rounds, about 15 minutes. Go get yourself something good to eat in the kitchen, something nice and proteiny. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. You'll get great new workouts all throughout the summer for fitness, health, wellness, beauty, style, and healthy living. Be sure to visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.